Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter general management section, then go to the language, then tap add language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then just tap set as default. And after that, Ukrainian language will be set as a system language. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the загальне керування, мова, and select English, and then tap застосувати. And language will be changed back to English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.